Hello everyone. Let us evaluate this integral of 1 upon square root of 1 minus x square minus cos x bracket close integral with respect to x. So solution for this, let us represent given integral as I, which is equal to integral of 1 upon square root of 1 minus x square minus cos x, its integral with respect to x. Now we can separate the integrals, hence I is equal to integral of 1 upon square root of 1 minus x square integral with respect to x minus integral of cos x integral with respect to x. Consider first integral as I1 and second integral as I2. Since integrals are separated by using formula integral of f of x plus or minus g of x integral with respect to x, this is equal to integral of f of x with respect to x plus or minus integral of g of x with respect to x. Now let us evaluate I1 and I2 separately. Hence I1 is equal to integral of dx divided by square root of 1 minus x square, this integral, and which is equal to sine inverse x. Since integral of dx divided by square root of 1 minus x square is equal to sine inverse x, this is standard formula. Now I2 is equal to integral of cos x, its integral with respect to x. This is also standard formula. Integral of cos x is sin x because derivative of sin x is cos x. Now collecting I1 and I2, I is equal to I1 minus I2, and this is equal to sin inverse x minus sin x, and add integral constant c, and this is solution for given integral, hence the answer. Thank you all, thank you for watching this video.